Hang on. Mike, withdraw. You got me? Hey, I'm gonna hold on to you. Hey, I'm holding on to you. I feel dizzy, bro. I'm dizzy, bro.
Come on, bro. Let's listen.
I am listening.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, he's mad that my arms are tight. Like, literally. No reason to do.
Hey, you kick me in the face. That's gonna be another charge.
I'm not throwing.
Smart.
Alright, help me up. I'm not throwing metals. Just help me up, please. Help me up. This shit hurts.
You wanna walk?
Y'all didn't want me to do the interview. That's why you're doing this.
Quit your job! Quit your job! Quit your job!